Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to another late night pouring episode. I have some new colors from this Little Piggy pigments that I'm excited to play with, and I wanted to do that with you guys tonight. The first one we're going to be using is this beautiful, luscious, deep, dark, kind of garnet, kind of browny sort of red called Bloodstone. Really pretty and intriguing. I'm very excited about that one. And the other one we're using is Burnt Sierra from this Little Piggy, which is a beautiful deeper orange metallic shimmer, just beautiful stuff. So I'm really excited about those two. We have a couple of other colors. I am repurposing this 15 by 30 inch gallery wrap canvas from Artists Loft. I have tape to pin the back. This was said has been used once before, but I painted over the top of it, and we're going to use it again tonight. So the other colors we're using, let me show you real quick. This is that Burnt Sierra. This is mixed with my Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss and Floetrol Pouring Medium. And the Floetrol has lightened the color and dulled it a little bit, but it will dry just like that. So this is our Burnt Sierra. Beautiful color. We also have the Bloodstone, which is this one. But you can actually see what color it's going to look like right here on the edge of the cup. Sort of like a dark purpley red. Discolored again from the Floetrol, but it will dry like this, which is very exciting to me. Okay, so those are the two new piggies. I also have some DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. And I have some Golden's Paynes Grey, which is also what color that base coat is. And I have some titanium white over here from Amsterdam. So, for a while I was thinking about, because I had painted the base coat on there, on the Paynes Grey, I thought, what about just pouring it without putting down any kind of base coat or flow extender? And I don't think that I really want to do that, because having that flow extender or base coat on there allows us to manipulate the composition more to where we want it, rather than if I poured it on a dry canvas, it would be stuck where I put it. So we don't want to do that. Okay, we're going to be using my old friend, my beautiful 21 ounce split cup from acrylicpouringtools.com. Thank you, Tracy. This is a 5-chamber split cup with a handle. I love this one. For a 15 by 30 size canvas, we need about 16 or 17 ounces of paint. This holds 21, so I don't have to fill it up all the way, but if I do, it's not the end of the world. I really love this split cup. As you can tell, I've used it several hundred times, probably. Okay, so what we want to do, I want to use these two piggies colors on the outer chambers, because they are the more prominent ones in the painting. And I'm just going to go ahead and pour these right in here. So that's the Burnt Sierra on one end, and on the other end we're going to put that beautiful Bloodstone. Trippy name. Garnets are actually my birthstone, so I like this color a lot. Really pretty. Okay, and then I'm going to put that Paynes Grey in the center chamber, because that's the one that's going to give us that 3D illusion, because it's the same color as the base coat. So it's going to give us the illusion of having the other colors floating on top of it, which is pretty nifty. And now I have my white and my gold left, and rather than doing one of each, I think I'm going to stack them. So I'm going to put a little bit of white in the bottom of this one, and then some gold, and then some more white, and then some gold. And I really do like stacking the white and gold together. I think it makes a really pretty effect. And also it doesn't give you huge big areas of white or huge areas of gold, but you still get both of them in there. Okay, this one I'm going to start with the gold. Alright, okay, so that's good. Let's move these over. And then you two go over there. Okay, so I also have a cup of Paynes Grey here to use as a flow extender. And this is, I think, just a smidge thinner than all of these paints here. So let's see. I don't actually want to put down a runway of gold because I don't want a lot of gold cells popping up. I want to keep the lines really straight and beautiful. I'm trying to think if I want to put a little bit of, I think I'm going to put a little bit of the Paynes Grey down to pour into. Just because I do want this to be able to move. And that's going to come off the edge. Okay. All right. Alright, so let's pour this. So we're going to do a wandering ring pour, very similar to what we did in the one called Seventh Wave. I really like that piece a lot. It had that Folk Art Treasure Gold, green gold base coat. It was really, really pretty. Okay, so we're going to start over here each way and we're going to go that way. Are you over here? Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
I hope I can do this with my finger broken. Here we go. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'm just going to take this way just a touch. Actually, I'm going to bring it down first just to get it to go over that edge. And now we're going to go this way a little bit. I think I am going to put a little bit of the Prussian blue down. Or the Paynes Grey, sorry. I'm gonna let it fill up that space right there. I'm just gonna move this part down. I'm gonna put a little bit more of Paynes here, because I want to keep this part as negative space. I'm going to take this back down. Introduce some curve in there. A little bit more of that. I don't like that in there. It looks unbalanced. It looks like that part needs to stretch out. So we may not keep as much negative space as we wanted. I think the this part needs to move down too. Where's the weight of our paint? Is there. So we're going to line up the weight of the paint about here, and then we're going to go that way. And we're going to take it down and let this open up. Almost there. I'm going to bring it back down one more time. This part's really, really pretty. That bloodstone. Really beautiful. Get some more curve in here. I think that's it. That's pretty cool. I like all of that. I love this whole section right here. It's so pretty. All of these lines opening up and stretching out. And I'm seeing the bloodstone in there, and I see the burnt Sierra and a little bit of the white. We're getting an interesting kind of sagey green, which is kind of cool. And up here, a lot of the, oh, this is really pretty. All this, it's like coral. This is beautiful in here too. Stretched out and opened up. I really like that burnt Sierra. I'm pretty sure this is going to dry very, very pretty. So I'm looking forward to seeing the bloodstone dry. Remember, that's going to be that dark, garnety sort of browny red. So this should be really cool when it dries. I will show you guys when it dries. Thank you so much for hanging out with me tonight. We'll be right back.
Okay, so this is a couple of days later, and it is totally dry now. It's actually been more than a few days, but this one came out so cool. I love those colors, that Burnt Sierra from this Little Piggy and the Bloodstone. Both of them are just beautiful. I love the Burnt Sierra in there, and I really, really like that dark, deep, gorgeous Bloodstone color. Very, very pretty. Beautiful effects on this one. Very happily surprised with this. I love this section right there. It's so pretty. Very, very cool looking where it opened up and stretched out. But this was awesome. This was our wandering ring pour with some negative space. And I will be teaching this class at Fluid Art Boutique in Dublin in June of 2024. Please check out our website at fluidartboutique.com. There are still some tickets available, but there is going to be smaller class sizes. So this one is probably going to sell out. So get your tickets soon, get your hotel reservations soon, and it'll be a lot of fun over there in Dublin. But I'm really, really happy with how this one came out. I love all of these colors. Of course, the Paynes Grey, where it mixed a little bit with the white and some of the 24 karat gold. We got this interesting sort of green that has to be the 24 karat gold with the Paynes Grey. So, but some really beautiful stuff here, and I love those two colors. Thank you so much to Fluid Art Co. for all of these amazing new colors. I really like the Burnt Sierra, and I love that Bloodstone too. So this was a lot of fun. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. I did have my hand surgery. Everything went well. I got my stitches out. It's not the prettiest, but it's a hand. Still kind of swollen, but getting better. Getting there. Soon we'll be back. But I am hopefully going to try to paint this weekend, which I'm really looking forward to. So thank you all so much for being here with us today. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. We'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.